Hello guys. Uh,
Hello.
that we discuss about what's more satisfying. Which one do you choose? A job that you love that doesn't pay well, or high-paying job that you don't like? What's your opinion about this?
Well, having a high-paying job that you don't like could be exhausting. First of all, you will have to do something you don't like every day. You will have a lot of money from your job. For example, you work as photocopier. You like being a photocopier, but the salary you get an undisclosed. In addition, you do your job with an open heart and enjoy. Furthermore, you must be need a lot of money for your daily basic life. However, you can enjoy undergo your job. On the other hand, even though we like your job, you like continue to like with a lot of debt because your job cannot meet your basic need. In conclusion, having a job that you love that pay will have you stressful. What do you think, Tiva?
Well, I agree with you because I think having a high paying job that you don't like could be stressful, but maybe it will be fun too. First of all, you have to do something that you don't like, but it will increase your work experience. In addition, you would have a work friends. For example, you work as head of engineer. However, if you choose a job that you love that doesn't pay well, but that your needs are not met. On the other hand, you enjoy doing job that you love but doesn't pay well. How about you, Najwa?
In my opinion, it will be different because having a high paying job that you don't like would be stressful. First of all, you have to do work that you may not have fully mastered. In addition, you have to deal with stress during works. However, it's better for us to work in a field that we mastered and suits our talents. Even though the salary is small, we can improve our skills. Maybe one day, because our skills have improved, we can be recruited for a high position. In conclusion, all jobs and professions are important, depending on needs of each other. How about you, Zizi?
Well, in my opinion, it will be different because having a job that you love that doesn't pay well could be stressful. First of all, you would have to do something that you like, but it doesn't pay well. You have to work hard if you want to get a lot of money from your job and it exhausted. For example, you work as car mechanic even though you like your job, but you get paid as big as your efforts. In addition, you don't have a spare time because you love you hard you have to work hard. Furthermore, you need enough money if you want to survive. However, you can enjoy your job because you like it. On the other hand, even though you like your job, you can fulfill your life because you don't pay well. In conclusion, having a job that you love that doesn't pay well could be stressful. How about you, Hadid?
In my opinion, having a high-paying job that you don't like very stressful, but it is worth it because you would have a lot of money and you could buy everything you need. Uh, in my in conclusion, it's better to have a lot of money but be stressed than be stressed because of money.
Well, we agree about that.
Thank you.
Welcome.